Next, a relation R is said to be a partial order relation if it is reflexive, anti-symmetric and transitive. Equivalence relation if reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Partial order relation if reflexive, anti-symmetric and transitive. So that is the definition of partial order relation. For example, if x is greater than or equal to y, the relation which we have seen before. So a relation R is defined from natural numbers to natural numbers where x is greater than or equal to y. So we have already seen that this is reflexive, transitive and anti-symmetric. So this relation is a partial order relation.